How's it going, people? Back again with another unboxing, but this time on the Karcher WD1 Cordless vacuum cleaner. I was in two minds whether to buy this or not, um, mainly because of the battery life. Because I mean, the website was a bit unclear. Because I mean, I bought it on my phone. It was a bit hit and miss. I thought it's fairly cheap. I mean, I paid £160 here in the UK. Comes with a 2-year warranty though, because I bought it directly from Karcher, and on the plus side, it came with another battery. So I thought, let me give it a go, because I do want a cordless vacuum cleaner, especially when I'm cleaning the car and doing bits around the house, cleaning the stairs. So I thought this is a pretty good one. Plus, I'm quite familiar with the brand. I've got the window vac, another vacuum cleaner, corded vacuum cleaner, the pressure washer as well. Again, it's all Karcher, so I mean, it's been a really good brand. So I thought I'd try this one out. At the moment, yeah, it's on sale, I believe, on Karcher's website. So I paid, as I said, £160. Plus you get another year's warranty, and as a bonus, I think at the end of the month, it's, what month are we in now? We're in May. I think by the end of May or June 2020, you can claim a free battery, although it comes with one in the box. So yeah, I suppose the reason for me being in debate of keeping this or not was the battery life, because it's 4 hours of charge with only 10 minutes of actual usage from the battery, which I thought wasn't great, if I'm honest. But as it comes with a second battery, I thought, let me just give it a go. Plus it's got a hose as well, rather than the other cordless vacuum cleaners that are handheld with no hose attachment. It's all kind of a static pole. So let me just do a quick unboxing, and I'll also try it out in the car, see if it works. Slice this open. Right, greeted with a hose. Put that on this side, rather than the other side. You've got little attachments. You've got a UK charger. You've got another little tool. There you've actually got the unit itself as well. This, I believe, is the battery. Crack this open as well while I've got it in my hand. I'm hoping this has got a bit of charge, so I can actually show you guys how it works rather than me waiting 4 hours. Yep, this is the battery, 18 volt. Bit of a beast, but it's actually not that heavy. Probably weighs, I don't know, half a kilo, just over. It's got a digital screen on it as well, so I believe this will be able to show you how many minutes are remaining, your battery percentage, and so on. So give that a go. And here is the actual unit. And you also get some product registration, which I will be doing, and some booklets. Pop that to one side. Now let's get this unit out. Actually, not a bad little unit. Fairly compact. On, off. Two clips on the side. The bag's already in there, which is nice. I thought I'd have to assemble that. Hard job. Filter's already in there. Boom. So there you go. Job done. This has also, I believe, got a blower function. So rather than it sucking all the dirt off the carpets and so on your garage or wherever it is, I believe you'll also be able to dry things or move dust around if it's in tight areas. So let me just quickly put this attachment on. That's cool. So this, I believe, is your blower, and then on this end at the front where the battery goes is where you can do all your vacuuming. So let me just stick that in there. Clips in, pop the battery in, Slides straight in. Has it got juice? And it's got no juice, which is always good. I don't even know how to get this out. Ah, there we go. Push the little plastic bit at the top forward, and the battery gets released. So this looks like it does need a charge. I guess I'll give it a quick charge and come back and see what the verdict is. So I'll see you guys in a minute once I've charged it, probably after 4 hours. See you in a bit. Right, I'm back. If I'm honest, I couldn't bother to wait 4 hours. Just for the purpose of the video, I just needed probably about a minute just to see the suction power and the blowing power, if I'm honest. The battery is digital, so it tells you your percentage. I mean, I had this on charge for exactly 20 minutes and it was 0, and it's got up to 28%, which is quite cool. Gives you your battery indication there. But what I wanted to start off with is the blowing function. This is how, just as you know, so you know, this is how it all sort of compacts down. I just want to see the blowing function actually, which I thought was quite clever. I was thinking about it. Because when it's sucking stuff in, you've got the exit here. And I know a lot of Hoovers, vacuum cleaners, what you call them in your country, don't utilise that function. Whereas these guys have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this in here. And switch it on. This is probably the first time I'm switching it on as well. So see what happens. And see how powerful this the blower function is on this. Okay, that's cool. It's not that bad actually. It's like a soft hairdryer. I don't know if you can hear me, but as you're using it, it also tells you how many minutes you've got left. I don't know if you can see that. So I've got 4 minutes out of a 20-minute charge. Actually, not that bad. I think it'll blow a few sheets of paper around, no issue. Yeah, so that actually works fine. Quite easy to clip in and out. I thought there was a separate button for the blower function, but there isn't. So yeah, plug this in. Right, let's take it to the car and see how good the actual vacuum function is. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec, and well, let's go to my daily car and yeah, see how good it is. Right, we're back in my daily. It's, to be fair, this is a fairly brand new car. I've only had it for about 3 months. It's a 2020 Skoda. It's still fairly clean on the inside, but there is a bit of dirt there and there's some crap there as well. So let's try and see how good this is. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually not that bad. It's picked up, I'll probably say about 90 odd % of all the dirt that was in there. I mean, it's, don't get me wrong, it's not the most powerful, but I don't expect it to be, because it's all battery operated. But it was at, I think it was at 26% the battery, and it's taken me what, a minute or so to vacuum, and now it's gone down to 15%. And I've managed to do this whole seat, and I don't see it actually struggling to do the rest of the car, so I'm actually quite impressed with the suction power of this. Yeah, it's awesome. I mean, it's fairly compact. Really happy with it actually. I'm glad I made this jump to a cordless vacuum cleaner. Would I buy it again? Would I recommend it? I'll probably have to say yeah, especially with the additional warranty and the fact that Karcher are now giving away a free additional battery, so you get 2 batteries. Yeah, and yeah, I'm actually really impressed with this. Fairly lightweight, weighs about 6 kilos. Good build, can't really see it going wrong. And again, another bonus of this is, I don't know if I've mentioned it previously, it also picks up water. So if there's any leaks or anything like that, this will definitely pick up any liquids, dirt, and I don't think any of the competitors will that are cordless. And the fact that it's got a hose, which is another bonus. So yeah, really happy with this, highly recommended from me. So yeah, give Karcher a shout, go to the website. Again, this isn't a sponsored video or anything, this I paid for this as I was just scrolling, and an ad came up and I thought, I did want a cordless, and I didn't realise Karcher did one. So saw it, bought it, pondered whether I should keep it or not, and yeah, made the plunge, and I'm kind of glad that I did. So yeah, happy purchase, and I'm a very happy customer again for Karcher. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and do the rest of it. Stay safe, see ya.